How to use Monday.com for construction. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Create a board titled Construction Project to manage your timelines, crew, budgets, and supplies. Organize it into groups based on project phases. 2. Add columns such as Assigned to, Due date, Status, Materials needed, and Location. These help you track progress clearly. 3. Use subitems for tasks like inspections, permits, and milestones under each construction phase. This adds depth and clarity to your tracking. 4. Set up automations that trigger alerts when deadlines approach or tasks are marked complete. This keeps your crew and managers informed. 5. Integrate Monday.com with external tools like Google Drive or AutoCAD for blueprint sharing and document management. 6. Invite stakeholders, clients, and workers with specific permissions. They can view updates, submit requests, or give approvals without changing data. 7. Build a dashboard showing overall progress, budget spent, and team workload. Use widgets to monitor everything from a single place.